Residents of an eastern St. Thomas community say they are on the brink of a disease outbreak. The worry stems from an ongoing sewage problem in the area. More in this report.
Residents of Golden Grove Meadows in St. Thomas have been living with some unwelcomed sights and smells in their homes for close to 3 years. A malfunctioning sewer network is the cause of the problem.
But the tissue coming up back out of it, there is where the sewage and the raw sewage, where there is filth coming up, and we have baby living in a these yard.
Now I can't even use my bathroom. I have to go by my mother to use it, because if me use it, me have problem in my house. Because the water from the bathroom are running in the house at times.
The situation stinks of neglect. They want the authorities to stop making promises and act now.
We are all human living in this scheme. We are not animal. And we cannot take this environment anymore, because it is not for human, it is for animal. And we need a representative. We don't even know who we can talk to right now.
And every time when you see politics, you see all sort of government minister come and look for way and dig we out of we house. So why now we have this problem and we can't see nobody? We're not seeing anyone. We need answer for this problem, because of our health.
The recent heavy rains washed the sewage to other parts of their yards and has increased the risk of children coming into contact with the contaminated matter. The people therefore fear it is only a matter of time before there is a major disease outbreak among the 150 residents who call the community home. Councillor Michael McLeod, who represents the area, says efforts have been made to have the situation addressed. The proposals include replacing the faulty central sewer system or building a pit in each yard in the community. However, to date, neither has been attempted by the authorities. Cody Ann Barrett, TVJ News.